Hey there everyone, thank you for clicking on this video, spending some time with me. Today I wanted to give you a brief look at the new 2002 solid copper Zippo. So first thing, we are going to take a look at the box that the Zippo came in. We got like a little bit of the copper Zippo here on the side. Very nice, the lid and everything. Then that black insert, more of a shiny color than the regular black in the box. A little slash here, and then more of the shiny and the matte. Zippo copper lighter. So, a limited edition. Solid copper case with black plated steel insert. Zippo's first solid copper prototype was introduced in 1969 and has made several surprise appearances. 1969, I didn't know that. And generated widespread demand. I knew that ever since. Now, we're reintroducing this premium fan favorite on an exclusive trial basis. This limited pre-production model features a hand-finished solid copper case with a first ever black plated steel insert and is authenticated with a unique bottom stamp. And we just have that regular Zippo warning sticker, their address. This is model 48107, regular brush finish copper, LTR. So I wonder if they're going to have maybe different finishes, because this one does specifically say regular brush finish. So we're going to open it up here. And we've got a nice little box. Do like the black to go with that new insert. So first things first, we got the Zippo guarantee. Comes with all your Zippos. Zippo copper lighter. Thank you for joining Zippo's exclusive solid copper pilot program. This limited pre-production model features a hand-finished solid copper case with a first ever black-plated steel insert and is authenticated with a unique bottom stamp. Recommended care instructions for copper lighter. This copper case may tarnish over time, and this is to be expected. It is recommended that you leave any tarnish as it enhances the mystique of this premium Zippo product. However, if you choose to polish your case to remove any tarnish, please do with a copper polish and polishing cloth. Ooh, yeah, I don't know about that tarnish. It's going to turn it green over time. It didn't even come with a bag. So let's take a look. Pre-production solid copper case with black plated steel insert. Ooh, that insert is very nice. So it's like, how do I get it out of here without messing it up? Alright, so pop it out. You have one of those little things to keep moisture out. Help with the tarnish, so I will be putting that back in the box. But I might have to just take that black insert and put it in some of my other models. I do like how they kept the sticker off the back so that residue doesn't get on it. And I do like having these warning stickers, but I'll probably just keep it in the box. So here we go. Solid copper. Let's listen to the ping. Not that different. So we got copper C of 22. So these were made back in March. Bradford, made in USA. So I'm guessing maybe the older ones had solid copper, because they did say it was a unique bottom stamp. So I'm wondering, I don't have one of the older, I think it was like 2004. What? Oof. That is very nice. And this black insert, let's take a look at that. I don't really want to scratch it, but I did get two. Doubled up on this one, just particularly for that insert. And it's in there real good. It's a tight. Some of them are pretty loose. So this was made back in January. A. For best results, use Zippo, flint, and fluid. Very nice. So like I said, I'm probably going to be putting this in one of my other models just to have the black. Let's compare that over here. Just have your standard brass Zippo. And it's plated. So I know the camera. Oh, there we go. We can pick it up. Pretty dusty, actually. Or scratched already. Well, we knew that was happening. Very nice. So let's compare the sounds with some other Zippos. Oh wow, so actually, I wonder if it is a different insert now. So, you know, you have that. So the hinge isn't copper or anything. That looks like the regular hinge. Let's just take a look, double check. Well, it would have been a copper color anyway. That black does give it a nice look to it. So we'll just compare the sound here after. So back here, I have some of the other Zippos made of different materials. So I just want to compare the sound. So here we have the new copper, standard brass, so you do have more of a like little ring at the end. Double check that that was pushed all the way down. So there's that. Here we have, my camera will, there we go. The solid titanium Zippo. I might do a video on this one later on. Autofocus is not working. In here, totally different ring. Here we have solid sterling armor, so it's going to have a different ring than even the regular silver would. This has a nice ring to it. Need to more practice opening it with my left hand. And then here we have the steel Zippo that was just released back in 2020. So I would say this one's more like muted. Doesn't have as much of an echo to it. But yeah, this has been a quick look. The new 2022 copper Zippo. Thanks for watching. So what is interesting is that this Zippo pretty much just falls directly on the back. Well, if I do it like that, it just falls right onto the back. Whereas other Zippos usually stop and have this little gap here. That's pretty much the majority of them, really. I wonder now if this titanium one, yeah. Yep. Pretty sure the steel one does as well. Not as big of a gap, but still a gap. Interesting. Yeah, right down. But that black insert looks very nice with the copper. Well done, Zippo.